Want to share your awesome projects with the world without breaking the bank? Then get ready to unlock the power of GitHub Pages, a free and straightforward way to host your static websites directly from your GitHub repository first. Make sure you have a GitHub account and a repository containing your website files, that means HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, navigate to the Settings tab of your repository. It's usually located near the top of the page. Scroll down until you find the GitHub Pages section. It might be hiding under the Code and Automation section. Here, you'll see a source option. Select the branch you want to deploy from. Typically, this is your main branch. If you have a dedicated Pages branch for your website, you can choose that instead. By default, GitHub Pages will deploy from the root directory of your chosen branch. Hit save, and that's it. GitHub will now automatically build and deploy your website. Give it a few minutes, then refresh the page. You should see a URL under the GitHub Pages section. That's your live website. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed your static website with GitHub Pages. Now go out there and share your amazing creations with the world, all thanks to the magic of GitHub.